What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. This video is going to be a short and simple one. As you can see, I am up close and personal, looking a bit rough, but I just need 5 to 10 minutes out of your time, then I promise you this scary movie will be over. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my strip lashes. Right after that, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my individual lashes. Why am I doing it like that? Simply because you have persons that only use strip lashes, while you have other persons that only use the individual lashes, and I feel like it is only fair, it is only right for me to help both parties out. When doing my strip lashes, these are the items that I use. Of course, a pair of strip lash, some hair glue, and a tweezer. Guys, you can use your lash glue if you want, but personally for me, I rather using the hair glue because it gives me a better hold. By the way, I'm going to be putting the link down below to where I purchased this lash from. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to ensure that the lash is the same length as your eyeline. So sometimes I usually just measure the lash to my eyeline, and if it fits perfectly, I just let it be. If not, I cut a little piece off from the end. After sizing your lash and cutting any excess, if there is any, you want to start applying your glue. I usually squeeze a little bit of glue out like that. Then I just slowly wipe it on the border of the eyelash. I don't use a lot, guys. I use just enough, and I'm going to just fan it like this until the glue gets tacky. You want to ensure that the glue gets tacky, sis, or it is your funeral. After the glue gets tacky, you want to put the tweezer in the middle of your strip lash to apply it to your eye like this. I find that doing it like this, it is easier for me to manipulate as it regards to applying it to the middle, then fixing the corner, then fixing the end. Now I apply to the middle. Fix the corner, then I fix the end. So again, the middle, the corner, then the end. When your lash is on, I usually just use my fingers to secure the lash. Then I just do the same thing to the other lash. Squeeze a little glue out, apply it to the lash line. Not too much, just enough. Then you wait until the glue gets tacky. Okay, so again, after the glue gets tacky, you want to put the tweezer in the center of your strip lash to give you a better grip, because when you're going to apply the lash, you're going to apply it at the center, then you fix the corner, then you fix the end. apply to the center, fix the corner, then fix the end. To better secure the lash, what you want to do is to use your finger, your index finger, any one of your finger, to properly fix the lash on your lash line. When doing my individual lashes, these are the items that I use: some individual lashes, some hair glue, and a tweezer. Again guys, you don't have to use the hair glue, it is just a personal preference. Also, what I want to say is when I'm doing my individual lashes, I usually use one row for each eye. So out of this whole kit here, I'm going to use just these two rows. This for my left eyelashes, this one for my right eyelashes. Simply because I feel like using it like that, it gives my eyelashes a more natural look, and that's what I like. But if you're not about the natural look and you like very full lashes, you can use the entire thing. Okay, so after removing the lashes from the case, I'm going to put a dab of glue anywhere down here on the holder. You don't want to get any glue near your lashes, honey, okay? So just like that. Now you want to remove one of the lash. Now I'm going to dab the top of the lash into the glue just a little bit. Then you're going to allow it to get a bit tacky. Have to get a bit closer, excuse the dark circles. So when the glue gets tacky, what you want to do is use this hand to manipulate your lash line. So I'm going to use my index finger to lift my lash line, the top lash line, a bit so I can place the lash under the line. Just like so. Ensure that it doesn't spin, guys. Also, you want to try and keep your top lid open a bit so it doesn't accidentally close and the glue gets stuck to your lower lash line. So one is down, a lot more to go. Again, you're going to repeat the process. Remove the single lash, dip it in some glue, wait till it gets tacky. After the glue gets tacky, again use this hand to manipulate your top lash line. Lift it up a bit. Then you're going to apply the lash just like so. And again, you want to keep your top lash line from touching your lower lash line. If you did not get those two, it's fine. I'm going to be doing it again. So remove a lash, dip it into some glue, ensure that the glue gets tacky. After the glue gets tacky, use this hand to raise your top eyelash a bit. Then you're just going to stick the lash under your lower lash line, just like so. There it is. I don't know if you're seeing it properly. But yeah, now I'm going to repeat this process until the first row is all finished. Also guys, I forgot to mention that if you have a fan at home, or if you have like the portable fan, I highly suggest that you use it, because it will make the process way easier for you, being that it is going to be able to dry the glue faster. But if you don't have a fan, it's fine, you will still get the work done, but it might take a bit longer. Okay, so guys, this is where I usually stop. About 1 inch away from the corner of my eye. And as I said before, I use like 1 whole row for each eye. Now in this one I have 3 leftovers, so I'm going to use the 3 leftovers to put them like at the end, to give the end like a fuller look, while the front part of the lash line is like thin, giving a natural look. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I've applied the entire row. Now this is what my eyelash is looking like. Now I'm just going to do the exact same steps for my other lash line.